In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image borders in Canva. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, look for the official Canva website. It should clearly say canva.com and take you to a familiar design dashboard once you're logged in. Avoid any lookalike links or ads that don't lead to the main site. Click the correct link to open Canva. If you're not already signed in, you'll land on the login page. Go ahead and log in using your usual method. Once you're in, you'll see the Canva home screen with your recent projects and folders. Open the design you want to work on. This can be any project where you've already placed an image, like a social post, presentation slide, flyer, or thumbnail. Give the design a moment to load so all the editing tools populate at the top. Inside your design, click on the photo you want to add a border to. You'll know it's selected when you see an outline or handles around the image. If you have multiple overlapping elements, click directly on the image itself to make sure it's the active layer. With the image selected, look to the top toolbar and click the border style icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines and appears only when an image is selected. If you don't see it right away, make sure the photo is highlighted. On smaller screens, it may be tucked under a More Options menu, so expand the toolbar if needed. Now choose your line style. You can go with solid for a clean, classic edge, dashed for a casual or hand-drawn feel, or dotted for a playful touch. Use the border weight slider to control thickness. A subtle 2-4 pixel line works well for minimalist designs, while thicker borders stand out more in busy layouts or social feeds. Take a second to preview different weights. The right thickness should frame the photo without overpowering it. Next, click the border color tile next to the style icon to pick a color. You can choose from the default palette, recent colors in your design, or enter a specific hex code if you need an exact match. For a crisp, universal look, white or black usually works. For brand consistency, match your border to your brand colors. Consider contrast too. A light border on dark backgrounds and a dark border on light ones helps your image pop and improves readability. That's it. By selecting your photo, opening the border style panel, choosing a line style, adjusting the weight, and setting the color, you can quickly create polished, professional image borders in Canva.